Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Today's topic is applications of derivative, and in this question we are going to discuss about finding out the maximum or minimum value of a function. So our question is, show that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. So first of all, we are given that a largest cone is inscribed in a sphere. A largest cone is inscribed in a sphere. Since the cone is largest, so the height of the cone must pass through the center of the sphere. So let O be the center of the sphere, then the height of the cone must pass through the center O. And we are also given that sphere is of radius r, so let us take A, B and C. So OA is r, and if we join OC, that will be also R. Now we are going to prove that if you are given that the cone is largest, that means its volume of the cone is maximum. So we are going to use this. And if the volume of the cone is largest, maximum, then we have to prove that the volume of the cone is 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. So first of all, let us take a variable OB, let OB be x. तो अगर आप OBC में पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करते हैं, then BC will be r square minus x square. So we have easily found the radius of the cone, and height of the cone is r plus x. So consider the volume of the cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square. R square is BC square, h height of the cone is AB, and that is equals to B. So now BC square. So BC square will be equals to r square minus x square. And what is AB? AB is equals to r plus x. Now we can make this a polynomial, r cube, then minus r x square, then plus r square x minus x cube. Now let us take its first derivative. So first derivative will be equals to r square, r cube का derivative 0 हो जाएगा, minus r x square का derivative minus 2 r x plus r square, x का derivative 1 minus 3 x square. Now we can find out the factors of this polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and that is r minus 3x and r plus x. These can be the two factors. So for critical points, we will put the first derivative is equals to 0. So pi by 3 r minus 3x and r plus x is equals to 0. So we will get two critical points, r upon 3 and r minus r. But x represents the length, that cannot be negative. So we are going to neglect that. So this is the only critical point. Now we will check whether your volume function is maximum at this critical point or not. So and for that we are going to take the second derivative of your function, and the second derivative of your function is इस स्टेप पे अगर आप सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव लेते हैं देन दिस विल बी -2r, आर स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव 0 माइनस 6x. So second derivative at this point x is equals to r by 3 will be equals to -2r, and this is again -2r, and this will be -4 pi r upon 3, which is negative. That implies the volume of the cone is maximum when x is equals to r by 3. Now we are supposed to show, आपको क्या प्रूव करना है कि वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन इज 8/27 ऑफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्फेयर. सो कंसीडर volume of the cone, and the volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square minus x square into r plus x. तो x आपका क्या है r by 3, so this will come out r square by 9, and here r by 3, x is r by 3. So this will be equals to 8r square by 9 and 4r by 3. अगर आप 8 by और 27 को बाहर रख लेते हैं then you within the brackets you are left with 4 pi r cube by 3, and that 4 by 3 pi r cube will represent the volume of the sphere, and that is what we are supposed to prove.